Right, this is 1800 Hollister Drive in either Libertyville or Vernon Hills. It's like right at the border, so I'm not sure which of the two towns it's actually in. And we got some nice 211s here. What? They got a traction panel. Huh. They got the full wide panel even though they're hydros. That is funny. That is silly. These Otis buttons, it's hard to tell if it's locked off or if the button's just wonky and you gotta push it harder. All right, back down. These are actually really nice. They're not anything too interesting, but they're in very good shape and they run well. This is Grand Oak Medical Center. Anyway. That will be it.